My name is Rebecca Schaefer, and I live at 45 Echo Road in Mansfield Center, Connecticut. We are at a juncture where the town and the university need to move forward in a way more beneficial to the town residents. Since 1702, Mansfield has been an incorporated town made up of 17 small farming villages. These were thriving communities with industries, inventors, and general stores. There were trains and taverns, an orphanage and a poorhouse, doctors, graveyards, and churches. And there were schools in each village, many of which have been converted to residences, which are still here today. There was a thriving community which included tourist homes, silk mills, sawmills, and steel yards. There were cranberry bogs, grist mills, and tanneries. Our manufacturing operations made buttons, gunpowder, horn combs, carding machines, and cannons. Bells, organ pipes, optical parts, cedar shakes, and clover seeds for premium clover hay were also produced here. Many of these products were shipped around the world. In 1881, two men from one of these villages, Storrs, gave them money and a small plot of land to build a school named Storrs Agricultural School. Over the past 135 years, that school has grown to become a major university with more than 20,000 students. We have now reached a critical mass where we must make some decisions about the future of our town. UConn's increased enrollment has had major impacts on our town. Many wells have run dry, rivers have run dry, and are often too low to fish and swim. Our wetlands are being filled in, and the water quality of our brooks has been compromised. Our back roads and main roads are clogged with traffic as the number of students now outnumbers the number of residents. Students not housed on campus have infiltrated every part of our community. Over 400 homes in family neighborhoods have been converted to profit-making student rental businesses. Likewise, student apartments have been shoehorned into other residential areas. Furthermore, since the university houses only 30% of its fraternities and sororities, the remaining 70% are in our neighborhoods. This overflow of university students has attracted investors from as far away as Florida. They come here simply to buy homes to convert into student rental businesses in our neighborhoods. Our community and the quality of our lives has changed due to this phenomena. Thus, we need to change directions. In this case, less is more.
Bill Rowe, 45 Echo Lane. We asked for 9 changes. 1, that all campus students be required to provide their local addresses to the university and to the town. That is something that we were very shocked to learn, and we require that within our suggestions. 2, that enrollment be limited to only as many undergraduate students that can be housed on campus. That leaves 4,300 grad students to be living in our neighborhoods. Or that 90% of all students, grad students and undergrad students, be housed on campus. 3, that the university house all freshmen and sophomores on campus. 4, that all fraternities be moved back on campus. They're a huge problem to the neighborhoods. 5, that any necessary student apartments and dormitories be built on campus rather than in the community. 6, that limits be placed on the number of cars brought to the area. 7, that enrollment be increased in regional campuses while capping enrollment in stores. 8, that the state work with Mansfield to assist families in buying back 50% of the apron neighborhood of campuses that are currently being used as student housing in order to restore them to respectable family neighborhoods, such as they do in East Lansing, Michigan State University. Number 9, and finally, that several academic departments be moved to other Connecticut locations. For example, the School of Pharmacy, Nursing, and Allied Health could be shifted to Farmington and Hartford locations, nearer to the School of Medicine and Dentistry. In this way, all health-related departments would have easier access to internship opportunities in the central Connecticut hospitals, as well as expanded access to a diverse cohort group in other medical professions. These things, together with a number of changes in Mansfield is making, should balance the needs of Mansfield with the needs of the University of Connecticut. Thank you very much.
Thanks to both of you.